Let M and R with a real vector space of all n by n matrices with real entries. N is greater than 2. Let A belongs to M and R. Consider the subspace W of M and R is spanned by this set. Identity matrix or unit matrix of order n, matrix A square, and integral power of A. Then the dimension of W over R is necessarily at most n, infinity, n square, n. Four options is given to us, and which one option is suitable we have to find. As dimension of W over R is asked about, so what is dimension? First important point is what is dimension. Dimension is number of elements in basis. If it is a basis, then we have two ideas related to basis. Basis can be considered as a smallest spanning set and linearly independent. This is first consideration as we consider, and second is largest linearly independent and spanning set. These two are same when we are dealing with bases, but both conditions are differ in sense. But both conditions are differ in sense. How? It is important how these conditions are differ in sense. So first point is to justify this condition, consider a vector space RQ. We normally know this is a vector space, and in this vector space subspaces are plane which is passing through origin, line which is passing through origin, and 0 0 or trivial subspace. Now R3 is generated by this spanning set 1 0 0. This is first element. You can consider 0 1 0. This is second element in a spanning set 2 0 0. This 0 2 0 0 0 1. Clearly, this V1, V2, and V3 are Li vector, are only Li vector. So we can conclude that is cardinality or number of elements in basis. Cardinality of basis is at most number of spanning element, number of spanning elements. Here four elements are given, so cardinality of this basis is at most 5, but cardinality of basis in perfect sense is 3, because 3 Li vector and these 3 are spanning set. So it is not important for a spanning set, for a vector space spanning set is unique. This is also a spanning set, and if we put these element in a set, then this one again a spanning set. Now come to the question, how to deal this given problem. So solve this problem, you should take this as a remark. Dimension of Rn is n. Dimension of m by n matrices over R is product of Mn. This is remark 1, this is remark 2, or these are points you should know that. Dimension of M and R. When M and N are same, then this dimension is n square, or you can write n by n in the sense of second. And 4 point is dimension of polynomial of degree at most n in one variable is n plus 1, means 1 exceed. Now clearly by remark, dimension of M and R, or as this is a vector space, is n square. So dimension of its subspace never be exceed by n square. So option B, as you can see here, option B is discard here directly. Now come to the question or solution. Or you can write dimension, and W is a subspace of M and R. Therefore, its dimension will be at most dimension of M and R. And its dimension is n square. So dimension, therefore, dimension of W never be infinity. You can generalize this point also. Hence, option B, discard here or eliminate. Discard here. Now call this as equation 1. By equation 1, possibility of dimension of W among from option A, option C, and from option D. Also, if n tends to infinity and none a raised to the power n is repeating, then, or repeating elements of spanning set, or elements of spanning set of W, then dimension of W might be infinite, but it is not possible. By equation 1. Let consider an element A is in vector space M and R. Then we can write Kerr equation. How we write Kerr equation? A minus lambda I, and its determinant, expansion of its determinant, will give you Kerr equation and we normally carry equation C for char, A for matrix A, and if it is in variable x, then we use x. So char equation will have the structure x raised to the power n plus a naught x raised to the power n minus 1 and so on, a n minus 1 x plus a n. This is the format of char equation or somehow. And by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we know that matrix satisfy char equation or any annihilating polynomial. But Hamilton theorem, Cayley-Hamilton theorem is specified only for char equation, but matrix satisfy any annihilating polynomial. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, matrix A will annihilate char equation that is a raised to the power n plus a naught raised to the power n minus 1 and so on. Identity matrix. This constant term is formed by identity matrix, and this one equal to, because this is in the format of matrix, so this is the matrix of correct size, and size of this matrix is n by n. This implies a raised to the power n can be written as transpose other term minus of all these terms, a naught a raised to the power n minus 1 and so on, in or unit matrix. And this is linear combination of some elements of a spanning set. Spanning set. What is a spanning set? A spanning set was identity matrix A square and powers of integral power of positive integral power of A. So this is linear combination of some elements of a spanning set, and for this or by, as I already mentioned in first remark, dimension of polynomial is 1 exceed by remark 4. So it is basically very basic, or by this remark 4, dimension of this one will be, or number of, you can write in linear combination number of elements in spanning set, in linear combination number of elements of a spanning set are n. Therefore dimension of W is at most n, at most n. So by this theoretical approach or sufficient explanation, we reached at the point A, dimension of W over R is at most n.